Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of automation and comparing Microsoft Copilot to traditional automation tools. So, what's the difference? Let's find out. First off, let's define what automation is. It's the use of technology to perform tasks without human intervention. And in the world of IT, automation has become a crucial tool for increasing efficiency and reducing manual labor. But with so many automation tools out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your business. That's where Microsoft Copilot comes in. So, what sets Pilot apart from traditional automation tools? Well, for starters, it's powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. This means it can analyze data and learn from it, making it more effective over time. In contrast, traditional automation tools rely on pre-programmed rules and instructions, which can be limited in their capabilities. One key insight to note is that Copilot is designed to work seamlessly with Microsoft's suite of products, such as Azure and Office 365. This integration allows for a more unified and streamlined automation process, making it a convenient choice for businesses already using Microsoft's products. Another advantage of Copilot is its user-friendly interface. Traditional automation tools often require coding skills or a dedicated IT team to set up and maintain. But with Copilot, anyone with basic technical knowledge can easily create automated processes. This saves time and resources for businesses, making it a cost-effective solution. Additionally, Copilot's AI capabilities allow for more advanced automation, such as predictive maintenance and anomaly detection. This can help businesses identify and address issues before they become bigger problems, ultimately improving overall efficiency and productivity. But don't just take our word for it. Many businesses have already seen the benefits of using Copilot. One such example is a manufacturing company that saw a 30% increase in productivity after implementing Copilot in their production line. And with Microsoft's continuous updates and improvements, Copilot is only going to get better. So, if you're looking to streamline your automation processes and increase efficiency, it's worth considering Microsoft Copilot. And as always, Fastlane is here to support your learning journey. Check out our IT training courses for in-depth knowledge on Copilot and other Microsoft products. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on Copilot and traditional automation tools. See you in the next video.